Welcome student, welcome to my channel Easy Learning. Today I solve some problem of SND. Long answer type question. Question number 5. If a plus I3 equals to 134 minus 113 minus 2 minus 3 1, evaluate a plus I3, a minus I3, where I3 represent 3 cross 3 unit matrix. Solution. Since a plus I3 equals to 134 minus 113 minus 2 minus 3 1. Therefore, we can say A equals to this matrix 134 minus 113 minus 2 minus 3 1 minus I3. And we know that I3 is the identity matrix of 3 cross 3, that is equals to 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. And if we subtract this matrix from this matrix by the rule of subtraction of matrices, we get 1 minus 1, that is equals to 0, 3 minus 0, that is equals to 3, 4 minus 0, that is equals to 4, minus 1 minus 0, that is equals to minus 1, 1 minus 1, that is equals to 0, 3 minus 0, that is equals to 3, minus 2 minus 0, that is equals to minus 2, minus 3 minus 0, that is equals to minus 3, 1 minus 1, that is equals to 0. Therefore, we get A. Now we calculate A minus I3. Minus I3, that is equals to 0 3 4 minus 1 0 3 minus 2 minus 3 0. This is A plus I3. From this relation, we calculate A. 0 3 4 minus 1 0 3 minus 2 minus 3 0. With this matrix, from this matrix we subtract the identity matrix and we get A minus I3. Here 0 3 4 minus 1 0 3 minus 2 minus 3 0 minus 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So 0 minus 1, that is equals to minus 1, 3 minus 0, that is equals to 3, 4 minus 0, that is equals to 4. Similarly, we get minus 1, 3, minus 2, minus 3, minus 1. Now, we multiply A plus 3 into A minus I3. That is 134 minus 113 minus 2 minus 3 1 into minus 134 minus 1 minus 13 minus 2 minus 3 minus 1. So row with column. First row multiplied with the first column, we get 1 into minus 1, 3 into minus 1, 4 into minus 2. First row multiplied with the second column, we get 1 into 3, 3 into 1 plus 4 into minus 3. First row multiplied with the third column, we get 1 into 4 plus 3 into 3 plus 4 into minus 1. Second row multiplied with the first column, minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1 into minus 1 plus 3 into minus 2. Second row multiplied with the second column, we get minus 1 into 3 plus 1 into minus 1 plus 3 into minus 3. Second row multiplied with the second column, we get minus 1 into 4 plus 1 into 3 plus 3 into minus 1. Third row multiplied with the first column, we get minus 2 into minus 1 plus minus 3 into minus 1 plus 1 into minus 2. Third row multiplied with the second column, we get minus 2 into 3 plus minus 3 into minus 1 plus 1 into minus 3. Third row multiplied with the third column, we get minus 2 into 4 plus minus 3 into 3 plus 1 into minus 1. So if we simplify, we get minus 12 plus 9 minus 6 minus 13 minus 4, 3 minus 6 minus 18. Next, question number 6, part 2. If A equals to 1 2 2 1 and fx that is equals to x square minus 2x minus 3, show that f of 0, f of a that is equals to 0. CBSE 2005. Since fx that is equals to x square minus 2x minus 3, therefore f of a that is equals to a square minus 2a minus 3i. Since a equals to this, we can evaluate a square, 2a, and substitute these values and we calculate f of a. Now a equals to 1 2 2 1, so therefore a square equals to 1 2 2 1 into 1 2 2 1, that is equals to row multiplied with the column. We get 1 into 1 plus 2 into 2, 1 into 1 1 plus 2 into 2 4, 4 plus 1 5. First row second column 1 into 2 plus 2 into 1, that is equals to 4. Second row first column 2 into 1 plus 1 into 2, that is equals to 4. Second row second column 2 into 2 plus 1 into 1 5. Therefore a square equals to 5 4 4 5. Now 2a 2 into 1 2 2 1, 2 is multiplied with each and every element of this matrix, we get 2 4 4 2. Therefore from 1, this is the equation 1, f of a that is equals to this. Now f of a that is equals to a square minus twice a minus 3i. We substitute these values, a square 2a, and we put the I there means to say that 2 cross 2 identity matrix. 5 4 4 5 minus 2 4 4 2 minus 3 into I, that is 3 into 1 0 0 1, that is 3 0 0 3. Subtract this matrix from this matrix, we get 5 minus 2, that is 3, 4 minus 4, that is equals to 0, 4 minus 4, that is equals to 0, 5 minus 2, that is equals to 3. 3 0 0 3 minus 3 0 0 3. This matrix minus this matrix, we can get the 0 matrix, 0 0 0 0, this is 0. So therefore f of a that is equals to 0. Question number 9. If a equals to cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha, then prove that a into a dash that is equals to I, and hence find a inverse. See solution. Since a equals to cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha, therefore a transpose that is equals to, we change row into column, we get cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. Now we multiply a with a transpose, we write a into a transpose, that is cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha into cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. First row multiplied with the first column, we get cos square alpha plus sin square alpha. First row with second column minus sin alpha cos alpha plus sin alpha cos alpha. Second row multiplied with the first column, we get minus sin alpha cos alpha plus cos alpha sin alpha. Second row multiplied with the second column, we get sin square alpha plus cos square alpha. And if we simplify, we get 1 0 0 1. That is the identity matrix, that is known as I2. Therefore a into a transpose that is equals to I2. Multiplying both sides by a inverse, we get a inverse into a transpose that is equals to a inverse into I2. We know that matrix multiplication is associative, therefore we can say a inverse into a transpose that is equals to a inverse. When any matrix is multiplied with identity matrix, we get that particular matrix, therefore a inverse into I2 that is equals to a inverse. A inverse into a that is equals to identity matrix into a transpose that is equals to a inverse. Here A transpose is multiplied with identity matrix, so we get A transpose. Therefore we can say A inverse that is equals to A transpose. Here A transpose already we evaluate A transpose, that is equals to cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha, and we put this value cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. Next, question number 10 part 1. If A equals to 3 1 minus 1 2, I equals to 1 0 0 1, and 0 matrix that is equals to 0 0 0 0, show that A square minus 5A plus 7I that is equals to null matrix, that is 0, and hence find A inverse. Since A equals to 3 1 minus 1 2, therefore A square that is equals to 3 1 minus 1 2 into 3 1 minus 1 2. So row multiplied with the corresponding column, we get 3 into 3 plus 1 into minus 1, 3 into 1 plus 1 into 2 plus 1 into 2. Similarly, minus 1 into 3 plus 2 into minus 1, minus 1 into 1 plus 2 into 2, and if we simplify we get 8 5 minus 5 3. And 5A, here A equals to 3 1 minus 1 2, therefore 5A that is equals to 5 into 3 1 minus 1 2, ultimately we get 15 5 minus 5 10. Therefore A square minus 5A plus 7I that is equals to 8 5 minus 5 3 minus 15 5 minus 5 10 plus 7I, that means to 7 into identity matrix 1 0 0 1. At first we multiply 7 with each and every element of this matrix, then subtract this matrix from this matrix, finally we can add minus 7 0 0 minus 7 plus 7 0 0 7. So if we can add we get 0 0 0 0. Therefore A square minus 5A plus 7I that is equals to null matrix, the 0 matrix, and hence evaluate A inverse. Therefore from this relation we can write 7I that is equals to 5A minus A square multiplied with both sides by A inverse, we can get 7 into A inverse I that is equals to 5 into A inverse A minus A inverse into A square. When a matrix is multiplied with identity matrix, we get that particular matrix. Here A inverse is multiplied with identity matrix, we get A inverse. So 7 into A inverse that is equals to, here A inverse into A that is equals to I, 5I minus, here A inverse into A square, write as A inverse into A into A. A inverse into A that is equals to identity matrix. Here we can say 7 into A inverse that is equals to 5I minus I into A. Again we can say I is multiplied with that matrix, with the matrix A, therefore we get A. Therefore 7 into A inverse that is equals to 5I minus A. Therefore A inverse that is equals to 1 by 7 into 5I minus A, and we substitute 1 by 7 5I মানে 5 0 0 5 minus A 3 1 minus 1 2. Subtract this matrix from this matrix, we get 1 by 7 into 2 minus 1 1 3, and 1 by 7 multiplied with each and every element, we can get 2 by 7 minus 1 by 7 1 by 7 plus 3 by 7. Therefore A inverse equals to 2 by 7 minus 1 by 7 1 by 7 3 by 7. Next, question number 13. Express the matrix A equals to 4 2 minus 1 3 5 7 1 minus 2 1 as the sum of a symmetric matrix and a skew symmetric matrix. CBSE 2008. Since A equals to 4 2 minus 1 3 5 7 1 minus 2 1, therefore A transpose that is equals to 4 2 minus 1 3 5 7 1 minus 2 1 a whole transpose. Therefore we interchange row into column, we get 4 2 minus 1 3 5 7 1 minus 2 1. There now A plus A transpose that is equals to A is this matrix 4 2 minus 1 3 5 7 1 minus 2 1 plus A transpose, we calculate A transpose 4 3 1 2 5 minus 2 minus 1 7 1. We add these two matrices, we ultimately get 8 5 0 5 10 5 0 5 2. Also we calculate A minus A transpose, that is 4 2 minus 1 3 5 7 1 minus 2 1 minus 4 3 1 2 5 minus 2 1 7 1. Subtract this matrix from this matrix, we get 0 minus 1 minus 2 1 0 9 2 minus 9 0. A plus A transpose equals to this, A minus A transpose, that is equals to this. Therefore half of A plus A transpose, that is multiplied half with this matrix, we get 4 5 by 2 0 5 by 2 0 5 by 2 0 5 by 2 1. From this matrix we can say this matrix is a symmetric matrix, because A12 equals to A21, and this is the principal diagonal element, and A12 equals to A21, A13 equals to A31, and A23 that is equals to A32. Therefore we can say this is a symmetric matrix. Also A minus A transpose, that is equals to 1 minus 0 minus 1 minus 2 1 0 9 2 minus 9 0. Half of A minus A transpose, that is equals to 0 minus half minus 1 half 0 9 by 2 1 minus 9 by 2 0. From this matrix, this is the principal diagonal element, and here A21 that is equals to minus A12. Otherwise we can say A12 that is equals to minus A21, and here A13 that is equals to minus 1, and A31 that is equals to 1. A23 that is equals to 9 by 2, and A32 that is equals to minus 9 by 2, that is this condition Aij that is equals to minus Aji, this condition is satisfied. Therefore we can say half of A minus A transpose is a skew symmetric matrix. Therefore we can say A that is equals to half of A plus A transpose plus half of A minus A transpose. That is, this is a symmetric matrix and this is a skew symmetric matrix. Therefore we can say a matrix can be expressed as the sum of a symmetric and a skew symmetric matrix. Next, question number 19. If A equals to 0 minus tan alpha by 2, tan alpha by 2 0, and I is the identity matrix of order 2, so that I plus A that is equals to I minus A into cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. Solution. Since A equals to 0 minus tan alpha by 2, tan alpha by 2 0. Now evaluate I plus A, that is I the identity matrix of order 2 1 0 0 1 plus 0 minus tan alpha by 2, tan alpha by 2 0. We can add these two matrices, we get 1 minus tan alpha by 2, tan alpha by 2 1. This is the equation 1. I minus A 1 0 0 1 minus 0 minus tan alpha by 2, tan alpha by 2 0. We get 1 minus 0 that is equals to 1, 0 minus of minus tan alpha by 2 that is equals to tan alpha by 2, 0 minus tan alpha by 2 that is equals to minus tan alpha by 2, 1 minus 0 that is equals to 1. Now I minus A into cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha, that is 1 tan alpha by 2 minus tan alpha by 2 1 into cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. We multiply these two matrices, row and column. First row multiplied with the first column, we get cos alpha plus sin alpha into tan alpha by 2. First row multiplied with the second column, we get minus sin alpha cos alpha tan alpha by 2. second row multiplied with the first column, we get minus tan alpha by 2 cos alpha plus sin alpha. First second row multiplied with the second column, we get sin alpha tan alpha by 2 plus cos alpha. This matrix, we get cos alpha into cos alpha by 2 plus sin alpha by 2 sin alpha by cos alpha by 2. That is, we just break tan alpha by 2 sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2 and do LCM. We get this. Similarly, this minus sin alpha cos alpha by 2 plus cos alpha sin alpha by 2 by cos alpha by 2. Here minus sin alpha by 2 cos alpha plus sin alpha into cos alpha by 2 by cos alpha by 2 plus sin alpha by 2 plus cos alpha by 2 by cos alpha by 2. তাহলে here cos A cos B plus sin A sin B cos A minus B. তাহলে cos of alpha minus alpha by 2 by cos alpha by 2. Here sin alpha by 2 cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha by 2, we get sin of A minus B, that is sin of alpha by 2 minus alpha by cos alpha by 2. Similarly, we get sin of alpha minus alpha by 2 by cos alpha by 2 cos of alpha minus alpha by 2 by cos alpha by 2. So ultimately we get cos alpha by 2 by cos alpha by 2, that is equals to 1 sin minus sin of minus alpha by 2, that is equals to minus sin alpha by 2 by cos alpha by 2, that is equals to minus tan alpha by 2. Similarly, sin alpha by 2 by cos alpha by 2, that tan alpha by 2, that is equals to 1. And therefore, I minus a into cos alpha, I minus a into cos alpha minus sin alpha into sin alpha cos alpha, that is equals to 1 minus tan alpha by 2, tan alpha by 2 1. This is equation 2. So from 1 and 2, we can say I plus a, that is equals to I minus a into cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. Thank you, student. Please subscribe and share this video.